Hello, welcome back to the kitchen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make another easy vegetable recipe. For this recipe you only need 3 ingredients: asparagus, some pecans, it also works with walnuts or pine nuts, and some balsamic vinegar. Okay, so first you have to cook your asparagus. You can do this by blanching the asparagus, which would be you bring a pot of water to a boil, and then once it comes to a boil, you plunge the asparagus into the water for only 1 minute. Then you take it out and pour cold water over it, or plunge it into a ice water bath to stop the cooking process. I think it's a lot easier to just put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So it's up to you which cooking method you prefer. Also, you can toast the nuts ahead of time, but if you do it in the microwave, you can just put them on the plate with the asparagus, and they will automatically get toasted at the same time as you're cooking the asparagus. Okay, so step 1, let's wash our asparagus. Okay, we'll dry it a little, but it doesn't really matter if it's wet because it's going to be cooking in the microwave, and it will the water that's on it will actually help it steam, so it doesn't matter. Now, next step is you have to snap the bottom end off the asparagus because this end is tough and it's not really that fun to eat. Some people just cut it, but actually you will get less wasting of the good asparagus if you snap it like this. You just hold one end and the other end, and then you just let it snap wherever it wants to snap, and it will snap at the right point that you're going to get the most tender, good part of the asparagus, and not the tough, not very fun to eat part of the asparagus. Okay, now we have to put our pecans on top. Another nice thing about this dish is that you can make it just for yourself, or you can make a bigger batch and serve it for company. It looks really nice for company. If you're doing a bigger batch, you might want to put the pecans or walnuts on a cutting board and just chop them up with a big knife. But if you're just making a little bit, it's actually quicker and easier to just crunch them up with your hands. Then you don't have to wash a knife and a cutting board. Now, of course, I could have bought the nuts that come already chopped, but it is slightly cheaper to buy them not previously chopped. So I usually just buy the whole ones and chop them or squish them up myself. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the balsamic vinegar. You really don't need any salt because this already has kind of a salty taste on its own. You could add other herbs and things if you wanted to, it's up to you. Or pepper if you like that. Alright, now we're going to microwave for 1 minute on high. Okay, and you could also do this without the vinegar and then put the vinegar on afterwards. It's up to you. Another option is you can cook this and get it all ready and put the vinegar on, and then you could put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate in the vinegar for a while. So this is also a really good thing to make ahead of time. Alright, enjoy, and I'll see you back in the kitchen next time.